Coral reefs are some of the most vibrant and colorful ecosystems on Earth, bursting with shades of blue, green, yellow, red, and purple. But where do these incredible colors come from? The answer lies in a combination of biology, chemistry, and the unique relationship between corals and microscopic life. At the heart of every coral reef are tiny animals called coral polyps. These soft-bodied creatures build hard calcium carbonate skeletons that form the structure of the reef. On their own, corals aren't very colorful. Most are a pale white or beige. The real color comes from something else, algae. Inside the tissues of coral polyps live microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. These algae have a special relationship with corals. Through photosynthesis, they produce food for the coral, and in return, the coral provides them with shelter and nutrients. The pigments inside these algae give corals much of their color. Different types of zooxanthellae contain different pigments, which can range from yellow and green to deep brown and gold. But that's only part of the story. Some corals produce their own pigments, mainly in shades of red, blue, and purple. These pigments, called fluorescent proteins, help protect corals from harsh sunlight and UV radiation. In shallow waters where sunlight is intense, corals may develop bright, vivid colors as a kind of natural sunscreen. Water depth also plays a role in how corals appear. In deeper water where sunlight filters through in shades of blue and green, corals tend to take on different hues. Some even appear to glow under certain types of light, especially when viewed under ultraviolet or blue light at night. This fluorescence is another way corals manage light exposure, helping them adapt to different conditions in the ocean. But coral colors aren't always permanent. When corals become stressed, especially due to rising ocean temperatures, they may lose their zooxanthellae in a process called bleaching. Without these algae, the coral's true white skeleton becomes visible, turning the reef pale. If conditions improve, corals can recover and regain their color. But if stress continues, the reef may struggle to survive. Despite their delicate nature, coral reefs remain some of the most breathtaking sights in the natural world. Their colors aren't just for beauty, they're a sign of a thriving, healthy ecosystem. Protecting these reefs means preserving their stunning colors for future generations to see and explore. So next time you see a coral reef, whether in person or in a picture, remember that its colors tell a deeper story, a story of light, life, and the incredible connections that make our oceans so full of wonder.